Hey there, the team over at Booble has sent over this hardback case for some kids' instant print cameras. Let's take a closer look. So if we look here on the outside of the case, it is a nice, sturdy hardback case. It does have a little bit of give to it, but it is not a softback. It does have two plastic D-rings on either side of the back for a strap, and it does come with two straps for whatever your child prefers. A wrist strap here, or you can put on the shoulder strap that is adjustable. It also has this sturdy branded zipper, making it easy to open and close the case. Once we open the case, we can see there's two sides to the case. On one side, you have this mesh pocket that is fully contained with another zipper, and it comes with 3 rolls of paper. The other side has a pocket with a bottom, as well as this adjustable Velcro piece in the middle that can be placed anywhere inside to hold the camera in place. And while the outside of the case is a hardback texture design, the inside has this brush material. If you're looking for a case for your child's instant print camera, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.